Hello and welcome back to day 3 of the Web Spring Cleaning Challenge. We are halfway there, so thanks for sticking with it. Today and tomorrow we're going to be covering up things that we need to do to clean up our website and blogs. Since there's a lot to cover in this department, I decided to break it up into 2 days. Because no matter what you think about anybody's website, no website is flawless. And even when you think everything is done, which I never do, I always know that there's something more to do. But even if you think that, there's always something else. Like, even if your design looks great, there could be a broken link lurking around or images from way back when you just started out that don't look proper with your current style now. So that's what we're going to be doing. Today we are going to be talking all about the user experience and content that goes on the website and blog. And also it's about looking to see what has worked for you in the past and deciding to do more of that. So making list of blog posts that, kept people on the page longer or got more comments and, or your sales pages that did really good and just optimize that and figure out how to do more of it. So since there is a lot to cover, I don't expect you to complete this list today. Maybe just choose one if you want to do one and add the rest of them to your calendar or your to-do list and plan on, getting around to it. But for today, you could even just make notes as you go through the checklist. I'm going to skim through the checklist quickly with you. I'm going to try to keep this under 5 minutes. We'll see how it goes. But so the first part is user experience. So I just want you to go on your website, first of all, and look at it through fresh eyes. Like, how is the navigation? Is it easy to go from one page to the next? Do you have your all your main pages in the nav bar? Are there tags to organize your blog posts so that people can find which ones that they're interested in? And then also, do you have a way that people are able to link back to your homepage? I find that usually people make it so that their logo, even though it's an image, it's a link and it goes back to the homepage and can bring people back there whenever they want. Also, we're going to look at links, and I gave you a website that you can go to today. It's called Broken Link Check. And you can just click here and then you write in your website's URL and it will let you know if you have any broken links. Or you can use Google Webmaster Tools and this will always keep you up to date on it. Also, look at your internal links. Which pages do you have pointing to other pages on your website? This is called inbound linking and it's good to have, I don't know, I like to have at least 2. Obviously your nav bar and that don't count for this. It's more in your content where you're talking about something relevant to something else that you've already written about. You can link to it, or you can link to somebody else's website, but you want to make sure that it's a reputable site. You can choose to use no follow tag, but there are rumors that these don't really prevent anything, but I don't know, I still like using them. Then also we're going to look at the design. You're going to decide like the overall look of it. Is your logo up to date? Can you read the font okay? Is it, a nice font that stands out to you? Your sidebar, is it cluttered with ads? Now, I know that you might make money from AdSense, and you have to ask yourself, though, if you're only making a few cents from them, wouldn't it be better to use that real estate side for yourself? You could be promoting your latest promotion or your latest blog post, or you can be building your email list on the sidebar. But it's nice to have it cleaned kind of and easy to read. It will look more professional. And the main thing is responsiveness. This day and age, you definitely want a responsive website. I wrote down this one website, Responsive Design Checker. You can, again, just click here and it will show you what your website looks like on all different devices and sizes. So it's a great one to check out, see if your website's looking okay on phones and tablets, etc. And then we're into the content checklist. Overall, you want to make sure that your writing is clear, there's no spelling errors, grammar. Do you have a call to action on your page? And is it broken up in a way that people can just skim through it if they choose to? So I like to add lots of headers, bullet points, throw in a quotation here and there. Just make it pop. And then I want you to pull up that list of that we made on day one of old blog posts and choose which ones don't work anymore. And then look at them and see if there's a way that you can rewrite them to make them work with the way that your business is running today. Also, like just ones that were working, how can you update them? Can you write in more relevant content that works with today? Also, you might be able to add in more keywords or different keywords, or put in an infographic, make it stand out. And then also look at your latest blog post and pages. Which ones worked the best for you in the last 6 to 12 months? Which ones kept your audience on the page longer? You can make a list of these and then choose to write more articles like this in the future, or make a series out of them. Look at the comments and see if you can expand off the questions. And then I was talking about repurposing your content, like how you can reuse the content you already have. So I gave you a few ideas here. One includes taking quotes from your post and adding it to your social media. That's always a great way to get fresh eyes on an old blog post. And then I went in to talk about how we have a special on right now for our SEO content services, where you would give us 5 of your pages, sales pages, blog post, or website pages, or anything that you plan on creating in the future, or existing ones, and we will optimize them to do better in search engines. So we'll do the keyword research for them and the on-site SEO part. If you want to learn more about that, just click the Learn More button and it'll bring you to the page about that. So that is all for today. Thanks for sticking with it, like I said. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And we will see you tomorrow for more updating and optimizing. We will be talking more about SEO stuff, like alt tags on your images and anything that you can do to help your website. Thanks. Have a great day.